Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can bring back home button on your Android mobile. See here, this is on the Realme mobile and this is on Motorola mobile. And see here, from any screen, if I tap on the home, you'll get to the home screen. But here also, we can get to the home screen, but there is no home button actually. The main difference between these two mobiles is here there is no home button like this because this mobile has gesture navigation. How you can bring back home button here? Click on your Android phone settings, right? And under Android phone settings, you can see gestures here separately, and here when you see on gestures, tap on these gestures and click on system navigation. Then from gesture navigation, use three button navigations. Immediately your home screen will appear. Remember one thing, maybe few other mobiles have different operating system and different UI. For that, what you can do is on the search itself, just search as gestures or system navigation, any two. Okay, now I'll be searching as system navigation. So system navigation, this one. So in this way you can reach to system navigation in any mobile and just choose it to three button mode. Okay, like three button mode. Okay, we'll keep this aside and now we'll see it on the uh, Realme mobile. This is the Realme mobile, right? If it is also navigation mode is also in the gesture mode, what you can do is you can just click on the Android phone settings. Then here in the search, what I'm doing is I'm just searching as system navigation. Yeah, tap on this, and here instead of gestures just click on buttons. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.